Maisie and the boys are fighting over the bone. It's, let's see, they're 9.5 months. Oh, I think I've distracted them. But they were all fighting over the bone. Here we go. Continue as you were. Continue as you were. And so we've got Bob the Builder in the background. Here we go. Play with Maisie. Yes, the pink bone is pretty much the favorite toy. That's not true. What is the favorite toy? I think the dog bowl is a favorite toy, maybe? The remote controls, the phones, and the drum. They love Daddy's drum and his guitar. Yeah, they look like they're amusing Maisie. All having a good time together, eating the dog bone. I did wash it the other day, so that's probably a relief for people who are concerned about germs. Is that yummy, Hamish? Is that yummy, my little Hamy